In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Roblox Game Pass on Please Donate in Roblox. So this is going to work for iOS and Android and any other tablet you want to use. But first, if you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe button to keep updated. So let's get right into the video. So what you want to do now is actually get out of your Roblox app because this only works on the browser. So just go to your browser and then go to roblox.com. After that, once you're in, what you have to do is click on the create. And once you're here, if you're not already on the dashboard, just look at the top left button menu and then click on dashboard. After that, what you have to want to do is go to experiences and then click on any experience there. Once you're on experience, click the top left button again and then click on associated items. After that, you have to click on passes. Once you're here, just click create pass. Once you're there, a default image will show up. But if you want another image, just click on change and then it'll lead you to your gallery and pick an image that you want as long as it's within Roblox guidelines. But I'm just going to go with the default message. So now, what you have to do is name your pass and put a description. I'm just going to fill it up here a bit. And after that, just click on create pass. So once you're here, it actually says off sale. So to put it on sale, what I have to do is click on it again. Then click on the top left button again. And then put on sales. And then just click on item for sale. And then you can put on how many you want to ask for. I'm just going to put 10. But Roblox takes 30%. So what you're going to get is 7. So I'll go with that. And then just go ahead and click on Save Changes. Now what you want to do is open your Roblox app and go to Please Donate. So once you're there, just look for an empty stand so once you're there, just click on an empty stand and then claim the stand. And once it's there, you can see your passes. And then there it is. People can now donate to you. That's all there is to this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.